Oh, girls! So, what do you girls think is in the surprise box?
Dolls.
No.
Something.
I don't even know what that means.
I think there's animals in there.
No, they didn't sponsor this video, so we're not gonna mention them.
Sophia is bold and I have a birthday till I don't know what.
Okay, you know what? Let's just go ahead and open up the box and see what's inside for ourselves, okay? Let's do that.
Ah. Whoa! Wow! That's a surprise box.
All right, so now you both got your own box, so why don't we show everybody what's inside the mystery boxes.
Daddy, what are these? Daddy, every time I film. Daddy, what are these?
Hey, parents! I bet you're wondering what's in the boxes, huh? The very thing that saved my life is what's in those boxes. Look at this. Materials to make a xylophone, a tambourine, rainbow glasses, shadow projector, mixed colored light. All these incredible activities that I did not have to come up with myself. I ain't got no more ideas, okay? I got nothing, okay? KiwiCo saved my sanity.
Double Papa's being floating every time and for the daddy and walking to the ground.
That sounds incredible to me. Not only do they give you activities, but they also show you how much grown-up involvement is needed. You see this right here? This is the sweet spot. KiwiCo inspires kids to create and engineer their own innovative designs and outcomes. And who am I to stand in the way of that? Do I want them spending hours in front of the screen? No. I want them spending hours and hours becoming creative problem solvers and critical thinkers by doing low grown-up involvement activities. Listen, y'all can go to the website and pick out a monthly subscription that even caters to the various ages of your kids, or you can go on there and get the specific crate you like. Either way, I got you with a 20% off discount code right here that you can use on the website, and you can hit that link in the description and let KiwiCo save your life and also complete every parent's master plan. Just choose the one with low grown-up involvement.